Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone, especially to Sir Ramli. So I will explain about the business background. Our company name is named Slice and Smile. We address at block E2 and E3, PT Suite 0651, Jalan Jati 1/1, Pusat Perniagaan Aman Jaya 08000 Sungai Petani Kedah, which is located nearly with Aman Jaya Mall. So we have website address which is www.slicesandsmiles.com. Our telephone number that to contact 04-770-4439. Our business are selling retail bakery business, and our main activity is to baking, decorating, and selling a variety of cakes and many value including custom-made cakes for birthdays, events, and everyday customers who enjoy freshly made desserts. So our date of commencement is at 4 February 2025. Date of register is 1 December 2024. The registrant number LPP 0031456 LGN. Our bank is Maybank, and our number bank is 578621026431. So let me present about our vision, mission, and our objective. So, our vision is to become a beloved bakery shop that spreads happiness through quality baked goods and experience. Our mission is to provide fresh, delicious, and high-quality bakery product made with care and consistency. So, what's our objective? Our objective have three. First, to satisfy customer with tasty, affordable, and visually appealing bakery product to build strong customer. Second, to build strong customer loyalty through quality and friendly service. Third, to establish Slice and Smile as a recognizable bakery brand in local market. So, these are our four main product that have at Slice and Smile. First is cheesecake. Second, chocolate. 3 is red velvet. 4, pandan. But we still have another variety of cake that provide in Slice and Smile. As I said before, our location located at Sungai Petani, which is block B2, E3, PT 0651, Jalan Jati 1/1, Pusat Perniagaan Aman Jaya 08000 Sungai Petani Kedah, which is located at nearly Aman Jaya Mall. So, this is our logo, Slice and Smile. The cake slice is our main product bakery, cake and slice. So it refers for the cake. So the strawberry outside the cake is mean freshness and quality ingredient. So the pink ribbon or pink icing means sweetness and happiness. So the smile logo, then customer satisfaction and joyful experience. Thank you.
Okay, so next I want to talk about organization chart in Slice and Smile company. Okay, so for managing director, we have Alif Aiman. For administrative director is me, Nur Agniza. And next, marketing director is Fatin Suraya. And operation director is Ifa Hadira. And lastly, financial director is Nur Sharfana. Next is responsibility and role for each manager. So first we have manager director. Manager director provide leadership and strategies direction. Next, manager ensure all department achieve business goal and vision, mission and objective company. For administrative director, manager and supervise all the administrative and office-related activities. And second is handle documentation, filing system, and company records. For marketing director, manage promotion and social media marketing platform such as TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Next is monitor customer feedback, market trends, and competitor. For operation director, ensure daily bakery operation runs smoothly. Manage raw material supply, stock, and coordination with supplier. And lastly, for financial director, manage company financial planning, budgeting, and cash flow, and prepare financial reports and control the cost of bakery products. Next is remuneration. Basic salary for managing director is 3,000. For administrative, marketing, operation, and financial, got 2,500. So for EPF for employer is managing director got 12%. EPF for employer is 11%. So for SOSO, employer got 1.75%. For employee, 0.5%. Okay, so for total remuneration is 40,562.50 cents. The benefit that they can got in Slice and Smile company is first, salary based on experience and position. EPF employer got 12% according government regulation. For SOSO, 0.5% deduct from salary. Next is bonus. It's given to high performers and creative employer. For annual leave, who work than 2 years can got 8 days. For 5 years above can got 12 days, and more than 5 years can got 60 days. So for maternal and parental leave, maternity leave for pregnant employee, paternity leave subject to manager approval. Okay, next, working days and working hour. We operate 6 days a week, Sunday until Thursday. For working hour, bakery hour, 10 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. For office hour, 9 a.m. until 6:00 p.m. So the lastly is sick leave and employee welfare. Paid sick leave with valid medical certificate, safe and comfortable working environment. So next we move to office furniture that we have at Slice and Smile company. We have office table, office chair, filing cabinet, storage rack, counter desk, light fixtures, wall clock. For office equipment, we have computer, printer, air condition, Wi-Fi, and lastly, fire extinguisher. Okay, so lastly, for office supplier, we have printer ink, receipt book, A4 paper box, whiteboard, and set stationery. That's all for me. So I will pass for marketing director is Fatih Suraya.
So my name is Fatih Suraya, painting officer. So now I will continue to present about the marketing plan, which is the first one is target market. Firstly, our main customer are cake lover, which is people that love to try different type of cake. Last but not least, we also target young people such as student and also young, because young people nowadays love to spend their money to buy some food that trendy and also affordable. So next, this slide also show our market size and also sales forecast, which is Sungai Petani has a large population, which give us good market potential. We focus more on noble customer and also young dessert lover. With a price of 10 ringgit per slice, we expect to sell 29,000 slices in the first year, and sales will increase over time. So for the competitor analysis, the first one we have Secret Recipe, the second one we have the Baker Cottage, the third one we have local home bakers, and lastly, our company, Slice and Smile. Next, this is the market share analysis of the bakery industry. The first one is Secret Recipe, which is lead the market with 40% due to strong branding and also many outlets in Malaysia. It is followed by the Baker Cottage with 25%, which has loyal customer. And next, also follow with home bakers contribute 20% because demand for homemade bakers product is increased. Last but not least, Slice and Smile hold 50% as we are still new in the bakery industry and also brand awareness are still low. However, we also have high growth potential through marketing strategy, branding, and also product innovation. So next, for the product, we have 4 types of cake, which is the first one is chocolate indulgent, the second one is signature cheesecake, number 3 is our best seller, which is red velvet, and lastly is classic pandan. So next, for the price, we only put RM10 per slice. This is because we already have our pricing strategy. So our pricing strategy is a fixed price of RM10 per slice for all cake flavor. This helps customer make faster decision and also have a simple buying experience by our customer. So next, I will continue to present about place, which is we use direct selling channel from producer to the customer without any middleman. This allows us to control quality and communicate directly with our customer. So last but not least is Slice and Smile promotion. So for promotion, we focus on online advertising marketing, which is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and also WhatsApp. We also support our marketing with offline promotions such as using flyers and also signboard. In addition, we use limited sale promotion like special day discount to attract first-time customer.
I will be continuing with the operation of Slice and Smile. In Slice and Smile, we have 2 process flow, which is customer service and paid production. As for the customer service, it starts when the customer enter into our premise, and our customer service will greet, take order, and also serve the customer properly, and the customer will make a payment to us. And to appreciate our customer, we will say thank and say goodbye. As for the cake production, firstly, we will measure dry and wet ingredients separately, and then we will mix them together into a smooth butter. And most important part is add flavoring or food coloring, and we pour the butter into a prepared pan. Also, we bake in the oven, and after a few minutes, we will check for the cake. And after the cake is fully baked, we will let it cool for 20 minutes. And the most important part is we will decorate with topping and filling. Also, after that, we will place in a cake chiller. This is a Slice and Smile operation layout. We have a dining area with counter, cake display, and also chiller. And then we have kitchen, office, and also toilet. This is the important part of our production. As for material, we use flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, egg, milk, oil, and butter. This is our dry and wet ingredients. And as for flavorings and topping, we have pandan extract, red velvet extract, food coloring, whipping cream, cream cheese, and also chocolate. As for the machines, we have 2 main machines, which is electric oven we use to deck, and also a stand mixer. As for the equipment, we use refrigerator chiller, display chiller, work table, baking trays and pans, small tools, double bowl sink, and also we use cold water dispenser. As for the business hour of Slice and Smile open at weekdays and also during weekend at 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and at Friday we are closed.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I will talk about the financial. Firstly, I will talk about the highest expenses budget. The highest expenses budget is administrative budget. First, I will talk about the total fixed assets. It's 254,600. Next, I will talk about the monthly expenses. It's the 4,511.50 ringgit. Okay. Lastly, is the other expenses. It's the 5,225 ringgit. Lastly, is the all of this, the total is the 265,436.50 ringgit. Next, I will talk about the project implementation cost and self-financing. First, I will talk about the total cost. Total cost is 309,464.65 ringgit. Next, I will talk about the total loan. Total loan is 255,618.90 ringgit. For the total highest purchase is the 5,817.60 ringgit. Okay, for the own contributions is cash. The total cash is 48,028.50 ringgit. Okay, next I will talk about the total ending cash balance from the pro forma cash flow. For the year 1, it's the 85,318.75 ringgit. For the year 2, it's the 135,012.93 ringgit. For the year 3, it's the 209,902.66 ringgit. For the year 3, it's the 322,032.1. Next is the last is the year 5 is the 477,042.45 ringgit. Okay, next I will talk about the total net profit before tax from the pro forma income statement. First, for the first year is the 28,377.78. For the year 2 is the 60,558.77. Next, for the year 3 is the 84,301.37. Next, for the year 4 is the 107,547.86. Okay, lastly is the 148,704.50 ringgit. Lastly, I will talk about the pro forma balance sheet. First, I will talk about the total assets and the total equity and liabilities. First, for the year 1, it's 351,124.75. For the year 2, it's 398,724.53 ringgit. For the year 3, it's 471,638.86. For the year 4 is 581,832.81. Lastly is the year 5 is 734,947.85.